Good morning, this is English video session for class 10. We are in the topic From the Diary of Anne Frank, written by Anne Frank, in the textbook First Flight. This is lesson number 4. This is also there for your first periodical test. Now we were yesterday telling, I have told you that to read and come the topics, and I gave you an elaborate description of the introduction of how it happened. Now, yes, look at the sentences here. To enhance the image of this long awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in the diary the way most people would do, but I would like to have the diary to be my friend. I am going to call this friend Kitty. Look at these lines. Who wrote this? Anne Frank is writing. What is she writing? She is telling for everybody they use this diary to a different specification. Events of the day. They put the events of the day or their mistakes or whatever. But here the girl says, I wanted someone to share what all I wanted to say. Fortunately, I got this diary. There is no one to share with me. So I thought I would share it with my diary. She named the diary Kitty. The diary was given to Anne Frank on her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 to 1st August 1944. 42 to 44, 2 years. That is the time period when they lived in hidden place in the Otto Frank's, that is her father's office building. Yes. There have also been several films, televisions and theatrical productions. They have been based on the diary. Described as a work of mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazis' occupation. The real way we have to live is freedom, experience freedom, and at the age of 13 you love to enjoy every bit of it. But here their life is under threat. The moment they understood that these are the people belong to the Jewish family, they are Jewish people, immediately they will be put in concentration camps. Most of the time they are put to death. Anne Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Now let us see some of the descriptions that are given. A lot of people have made it in different way too, because it's totally different from the other descriptions of the diary which we usually see. Actually, if you see the girl, writing a diary is not really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have never written anything before. Before that age of 13, she never wrote it. But she was interested in how a school girl will be there. All things she was doing. Going to school, making fun with her friends, enjoying, playing, chatterbox, all these things. But the time came that she required someone who is very close to her heart. The sentence is, paper is more patience than people. Paper has more patience than people. What does this mean? This means that the paper has more patience than the people. People, if you want to share, either they will going to tell, if you tell anything, they may even go and tell the other people, or they may pass on some unpleasant comments on your experience. So she did not find anyone who is closed to say. So she chose the what? She chose diary, right? This, writing the diary. Okay. I feel like writing. I have an even greater need to get all of these things off my chest. So she felt it as a reliever. Off my chest means what? It is heavy. Everything's are going heavily. So I need to get calm. And the only way I can get myself cool and calm is through this diary writing. Okay? So patience, that's why she concludes. Listen, imagine a 13-year-old girl says, this paper doesn't comment, doesn't pass remarks. So it is more, it is fine than human beings. She says, I thought of this saying no one in those days when I was feeling little depressed was sitting at home at my chin and my hand. Bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience since I am not planning to let anyone else read the stiff-backed notebook. You remember, she made it a point that nobody reads that. She wanted to confide everything. That is why the book got escaped. She kept it so safely and secretly that nobody can see it. Okay, paper does have more patience since I am not planning to let anyone read. See, she made sure that nobody reads it. Unless I should find a real friend, it probably won't make much of a difference. She always felt the need of a good friend. A 13-year-old girl or a boy, a teenager will always feel the longing for a good friend. Okay, so the reason which made her, prompted her to make a friend is only one and only because to write a diary is because she don't have a friend. So what is the reason which prompted Anne Frank to write a diary? Answer is because she don't have a friend. Clear? Yes, now you understood two things. One, she had she wanted to exchange her thought, she wanted to tell what all she feels, and she wanted someone who would not, she felt depressed, she felt like bored, wondering what to do. So at the time she very badly wanted a friend, but she did not have one so intimately. There were people living with her, but she did not find anyone so intimately, and so she thought paper has more patience than people, so I will write my diary. Okay, she started listing all her experiences, and also she made it a point that nobody reads this diary. Okay. So the purpose is, since I don't have a friend, she says that I don't have a friend. So she opted for writing the diary, that is prompt. Okay. Let me put in clearly, since no one will believe that is it possible for a 13-year-old girl to completely live alone in this world? No, not at all possible, is it not? No 13-year-old, she will have a father, mother, sisters, brothers, aunts. Yes, then why does she say so? I have loving 13-year-old, she is not completely alone. She of course have loving parents, 16-year-old sister, aunties, and totally there were 30 people. How many people were there? 30 people lived around her. But still she feels that she doesn't have a true friend. Okay, this is what she says. Okay, so the importance of having a good friend at the age of 13. What is loneliness? All these things are expressed in this particular explanation. Please read page number 50, 51, 49, 50, 51 and 52 and come to the next class. Till then, thank you children.